When you open your File Explorer and you can't see your USB drive in here, it may be due to several issues that we can easily fix. First, go and right-click on the Start menu icon. Now select Disk Management from the list. In the Disk Management window, you will see the list of connected drives. Scroll and locate your USB drive. It will be named as Removable. Now, there are going to be two things. First, it may not have an assigned letter. Just right-click on it and select Change Drive Letter and Paths option. A new pop-up window will open. Click on this Add button, assign a letter from this drop-down menu, press OK, and now go and see if this has fixed the issue. In the second case, the USB drive may have been unallocated. You will just need to right-click on it and select the first New Simple Volume option. Now click Next. Just leave it as it is and again click Next. Assign a letter of your choice. Now format using the default settings. Click Finish to complete the process, and your USB drive should be now available in the File Explorer window. You may need to format it again. If none of these work, or you can't find your USB drive in Disk Management, it may be due to some corrupted USB driver. Just go and right-click again on the Start menu icon, and now select Device Manager from the list. In the Device Manager window, locate Universal Serial Bus Controllers, extend it, now right-click on USB 3.0 drivers, and click on Uninstall Device. Again, click on Uninstall to confirm it. After the uninstallation process, go and click on this monitor icon. Windows will automatically detect the missing USB 3.0 driver and will reinstall it. Now just restart your PC and plug your USB again, and it will now work. You can also check if USB is properly connected. Go to the Start menu, open Settings, now select Bluetooth and Devices, go to View More Devices, scroll down, and the USB mass storage device should be listed here.